What is quantum shifting or attracting? In order to understand quantum shifting or quantum attracting, we need to change the way we view ourselves from the concept of we're mass only to the concept of we're mass and energy moving at the speed of light through time. So taking a look at Einstein's equation, energy equals to mass times the speed of light squared. Another way of, if we were to rearrange this equation, it would be mass is energy over the speed of light squared. In other words, mass is energy moving at the speed of light through time. Energy can also be defined from the perspective of Planck's constant times frequency, or Planck's constant times speed of light over lambda, which is wavelength as measured by frequency. So in summation, we are nothing more than a bunch of frequencies. Okay, so this is very important, and I'm using this wavelength sign, this frequency sign, to represent who we are in our next image. Now that we understand that we're nothing more than a bunch of frequencies in the quantum plane, we can now understand how we quantum shift or quantum jump. So each of these circles represents parallel realities. So currently you are in this parallel reality right here, the black one, for example. This is you, your frequency, and each reality is also represented by frequencies. Okay, so if we wanted to shift to another parallel reality, so a parallel reality is a reality that is parallel, almost like mirror reflections of the reality before it, after it. So if you wanted to shift from this parallel reality, this bunch of frequency energy state, to another bunch of frequency energy state, what would need to happen to you, to your frequency? What would you need? How would you need to adjust your mass energy, your mass frequency? You would need to change it, right? Once you change it, you shift to this new reality, or another way of saying it is you merge with the reality, you attract the reality towards you. So think of the realities are moving in like this, right? So you're either shifting, or another way of saying it is it's moving towards you and blending in, and now you're a part of this newer reality. So this is what it ultimately is. Quantum shifting or attracting is basically the act of shifting your vibrational frequency to match the vibrational frequency of the reality that you have created in your mind that you desire. Okay, so let's say that this is a reality where you are broke and you desire abundance, right? So your desire alone, by setting your intention, you, along with your higher self, not shown in this image, co-create, along with everybody else in the universe, co-create a reality wherein you are wealthy. So this reality is parallel to this current reality you're living in where you're broke, with the only difference now is in this new parallel reality, you are wealthy. Okay, let's say somehow you lose your wealth. You have now shifted to another parallel reality where you are broke again or lost your money. And as you notice, each parallel reality are similar to the others, identical-ish, with very few edits, which is the new you. Okay. A more helpful way of thinking about quantum shifting is to think of it from the perspective of I am constantly attracting towards me quantum realities wherein I am what I desire, rather than saying I am shifting across quantum realities. Maybe using the word attracting might have more resonance for some of you than the word shifting, because shifting denotes movement across time. And for some of us, it may be difficult to perceive how we're moving. So I invite you to consider the words of I am bringing to myself, merging with the reality of my desire. Okay.